Today I'll show you how to play music from the Vline using the local music plugin. Let's start by showing you how to add the plugin to the home screen. Go to the gray plus signs that are empty and scroll down on plugins till you see local music. I'm going to be streaming the music from a USB stick, but you can also use a MicroSD card that plugs in right next to where the USB stick plugs in, or you could download music directly to the Vline using the Play Store and any app of your choice. I'm going to open the local music plugin, click the 3 horizontal lines, Settings, and Media Rescan. I'm going to go back. You're going to see Bruno Mars and Michael Jackson. These are both from the SD card. You can also click Storage with the 3 horizontal lines. It'll show the MicroSD card, USB stick, and internal tracks that you've downloaded to the Vline. There's my internal playlists. I downloaded those from an application on Google Play Store. We have the USB stick, different playlists, and you just press the back button to go back. When you're playing a song, you can always press the launcher over here, and that'll take you to the music where you can skip tracks. If you have a playlist, you just want to go through them that way. To move files over from the SD card to like your downloads folder or move them around on the Vline, I'll also show you how to do that. So if I have my SD card right here, I can select that. Those are the 2 albums that we scanned from originally. If you want to move them to different folders, you can always hold them, press the 3 dots up here, move to, and then select where you would like to move them to. But I find it best just to go straight through the local music plugin. 3 horizontal lines, storage, select right there, or also, as I did originally, media rescan.